Hi everyone, and welcome to English 10250, an online section of the Intermediate College Writing course at U of L. I'm Michael Bauman, your instructor. You can call me Michael, Mr. Bauman, Professor Bauman, Mr. B, or Professor B, depending on your comfort level. And you can contact me with questions, comments, concerns, readings, whatever, at any time via email or my personal cell phone. I may not always respond immediately, but I'll make it a point to respond as quickly and as thoroughly as possible. So, this is the first of our weekly announcements. By Monday every week, I'll upload a new written announcement with reminders and updates about our progress, our homework, and our goals. And I'll have those announcements sent to your university email as well. I'll also try to include a closed caption video announcement, like this one, which goes over the exact same material, just with different modalities, like video and audio, to A, try and accommodate for various learning abilities and styles, and B, try to get more of my personality across to you in an online class. This week, for example, by way of introduction to me and to the course, I want to go over a typical week, our first assignments, and our course Blackboard page. First, a typical week. This is an online course, of course. Therefore, we'll face a unique set of affordances and constraints in the ways that we read, write, learn, and communicate. By Monday each week, I'll upload a new announcement that describes your reading and writing assignments. You should complete those assignments throughout the week before the following Monday, and then the process will start over. And if you have any questions or comments, you can email or call throughout the week. Make sense? Cool. Okay, so second, this week's assignments. You can find a preview of the assignments for the entire course on the semester schedule file that I uploaded under the Syllabus plus Schedule tab, which is located at the top left of our course Blackboard page. I'll be releasing assignments at weekly intervals throughout the course, and you can find everything you'll need to complete each week's readings and writings in the weekly folders under the Syllabus plus Schedule tab. For example, this week, you'll discover that you need to read the syllabus, schedule, Blackboard page, and the intro letter and example, email your instructors number 1 and 2 assignment sheets, plus a PowerPoint about the email assignments. Then you need to complete the syllabus quiz, send an email to me to confirm that you've read the syllabus, schedule, first announcement, and assignment sheets, send another email to me, what I'm calling a horrible email, and compose an introduction letter. Whew. That may seem like a lot, and that's probably because it is, but I think it's mega manageable for the week, and I totally believe in you. And then I have to grade it all. Damn it. Finally, Blackboard. One of the reading assignments this week is to navigate through our course Blackboard page. I want you to take special notice of the Grades tab, the various resources I've uploaded, and the Syllabus plus Schedule tab. I've uploaded our entire course to Blackboard, but to avoid overwhelming y'all, I've timed each folder to automatically open only 1 week in advance, for people who wish to work ahead, but not to inundate everyone with the entire semester's worth of coursework. Also, take time to familiarize yourself with the discussion boards under the Tools tab, which we'll use sometimes to complete writing assignments. Skimming through the course Blackboard page is super important because we'll employ this powerful interface along with your university email account for almost all of our class communications and activities this semester. Okay, I think that's it. As mentioned above, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask them, and I'm thrilled to work with everyone in English 102. I'm really excited to read your first assignments throughout the week. Good luck!